Hello, children. Today we are going to start a new topic. Today's topic is Rip Van Winkle. This is a story about Rip Van Winkle, a good natured but lazy man who goes away into the hills and falls asleep. When he awakens 20 years later, Rip finds that quite a few things have changed. So the story goes like this. Many years ago, at the foothills of the Catskill Mountains was a little village. In the village lived a simple, good-natured fellow named Rip Van Winkle. He was a kind neighbor, ready to help anyone. Everyone in the village liked him. The children of the village shouted with joy whenever they saw him because he played with them. He taught them to fly kites and shoot marbles and told them long stories. The only problem with Rip was that he was very lazy. He did no work on his own farm and just idled away his time. His fences were falling to pieces. His cow was going astray. Weeds grew on his farm. Rip's constant companion was his dog named Wolf. To avoid work, he would walk away into the forest with his dog. One day, Rip just walked on and reached the highest part of the mountains. It was late in the afternoon when he reached there. Tired after his long climb, he lay down and began daydreaming. It was soon evening, and he realized it would be night by the time he reached his village. Suddenly, he heard a voice calling out, Rip Van Winkle, Rip Van Winkle. He looked around and saw a short old man with thick hair and a grizzled beard walking towards him with a barrel. He made signs to help him carry the barrel. Rip hurried to help the stranger who caught his hand tightly. Together they reached a place where there were some more odd-looking men playing ninepins. They were all dressed the same way, and all of them had beards of various shapes and colors. Even though they were playing a game, their faces were serious and there was silence. The only sound was the noise of the balls, which echoed in the mountains like thunder. As Rip and his companion reached them, they stopped playing and stared at Rip with a fixed gaze. Rip was really frightened. His companion emptied the contents of the barrel into glasses and made Rip drink it. Rip obeyed as he was trembling with fear. Since he was thirsty, he drank a few more glasses and slowly fell into a deep sleep. On waking up, he found that he was at the place where he had first met the old man. He rubbed his eyes. It was a bright sunny morning. Surely I have not slept here all night, thought Rip. He looked around for Wolf, but he was nowhere. Rip whistled for him. Wolf, Wolf, he then shouted. No dog was to be seen. Where has this dog gone? He muttered to himself. He began to descend the mountain to go back to his village. Okay, so first we will have a look on the meaning of new words. Here are the meaning of new words. The first word, idled away. The meaning of this word is wasted. Second, astray. Astray means here and there, wandering here and there without any aim, means wandering aimlessly. Realized. Next word is realized. Realized means understood or felt. Another word, grizzled. Grizzled means grey or white haired. Next, echoed. Repeated reply or sound. Next, muttered. Meaning of this word is grumbled. Descent. Descent means to come down. Ascent to go up, and descent means to come down. Next is astonishment. Astonishment means surprise. So these are the meaning of new words. Now come to the few questions. And first question is, who was Rip Van Winkle and where did he live? Rip Van Winkle was a is a gentleman, is a kind-natured fellow, but he was very lazy. And second part, where did he live? He lived at the foothills of the Catskill Mountain. Now, next question. What happened as a result of his laziness? Mention the things that were neglected. First thing, he was lazy. So first, his cow was neglected. He had been astray. And another, weeds grew on his farm because he didn't work on his farm. So weeds grew on his farm. Okay. Next question, when Rip reached the top of the mountain, he started reading daydreaming. Cross out the wrong word. So what did Rip started? When he reached, see, it was late in the afternoon when he reached there. Tired after his long climb, he lay down and began daydreaming. So, what is wrong word here? Reading. So, the correct answer to this question, when Rip reached the top of the mountain, he started daydreaming. Now, come to the next question. Where did the old man take Rip? If you see page 84, where the old man met Rip, the old man caught his hand tightly, and together they reached a place where there was some more odd-looking man. Means he was going to the highest part of the mountain. Okay. Now, the next question. The old man made Rip drink something, after which he fell fast asleep. Is it true or false? The man made Rip drink something after. So, if you see this part of the lesson, see, his companion emptied the contents of the barrel into glasses and made Rip drink it. So this is true statement. The old man made Rip drink something, after which he fell fast asleep. Emptied the contents of the barrel into glasses and made Rip drink it. Rip obeyed, as he was trembling with fear. Since he was thirsty, he drank a few more glasses and slowly fell into a deep sleep. So, deep sleep means he fell fast asleep. So, this statement is correct, true. Now, next, take the correct option. Rip returned to his village after 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. So, if you will see the last page, where have you been these 20 long years? It means the correct answer to this question is 20 years. He returned to his village after 20 years. Okay. Now, let's have some fun with new words. See, you have to circle the correct meaning of the given words. The first word is idled away. There are three meanings here: wasted, rested, and admired. The correct meaning of idle away is wasted. Now the second word is constant. This word also is having three meanings: coffee, construct, study. And the correct meaning of this constant word is study. Now the next word is companion. Companion means a dog, a stranger, or partner. The correct meaning of companion is partner. Now realize. Realize, this word is also having three meanings: to understand, to set free, real. And the correct meaning of this word is to understand. Now dissent. To not sent, to be dissent, or to move down. The correct meaning of dissent is to move down. And the opposite of this word is ascent, to go up. And descent means to move down. Now, next word is barrel. A wooden container, a musical instrument, a bag. So, the meaning of barrel is a wooden container. Now, come to the next exercise. See, match the words in the box with their meanings. The words are here: grizzled, astonished, foothills, stroked, familiar. So the first meaning of the word is near the lower part of a mountain. So what is the correct word here? Grizzled, astonished, foothills, stroked, familiar. The correct word for this meaning is foothills. Now the next one is with grey hair. This is the meaning of grizzled. Next is to rub gently. To rub gently is the meaning of astonished. When somebody is surprised or astonished, he starts rubbing his eyes to see if it is true or false, whatever he or she is looking at. So rub gently, astonished. To be very surprised.